27. Question number 27. Two strings A and B. See, this is the string A. String A. This is the string B. String A and string B. The made of same material have equal length. Equal length means the same length L, and it will be also L. The cross sectional area of A is half of the B, while the tension A is twice on the B. See here the cross section of area is half of the B. See nothing but tension A, which of this string of A is equal to half of the B, the tension of the B. Sorry, area of cross section. Area of cross section is denoted by A of the B string. Of the B string. And this is the area of A string is equal to half of the area of B string, and the tension on A is the twice that on B. But see here consider the AB is equal to area of AB is equal to AB. Simply take the same. But here the tension T is equal to TA. The tension T is equal is the double of the B. So double of the B, TA is equal to B, to TB. Or here the TB is equal to TB. See, here the conditions are given. The first one what is given? The string of area is half of the string of B of area. And next, the tension is double on the B. That is 2B is equal to B. See, then find out the velocity or in the ratio. Velocity is nothing but V1 by V2 is equal to how much? See, we know the formula V is equal. The velocity of string V is equal to under root of T by nu. The root of T by nu. But we know that the nu is equal to mass per unit length. And we can write it the mass is equal to density into volume. Right here the nu is equal to density into volume by length. Volume is equal to what we can write here the area into height is nothing but L. We can substitute here the nu is equal to rho into AL by L. That means it cancel rho into A. See, the linear density is equal to what is there? Density into area. Right here the V is equal to under root of T by rho into A. Here the velocity is directly proportional to the square root of tension and is inversely proportional to the square root of area. Taking the ratio V1 by V2 is equal to under root of T1 TA by TB. See, this is consider A and it is consider B into what is the area? Area of B by area of A string. See, substitute here the values. See, area of A string, how much is the 1 by 2 of the area of B? Get the 1 by 2 area of B by into either the tension at the B point. The tension at the B, how much is there? Here the TB same into area of B, how much is there? Here the AB by tension of the B. See, this is the 2 TB. Okay, this is the. We can observe here that TA is equal to how much here? 2 into TB divided by TB. TB is equal to how much here? TB. Same. And AB is equal to how much here? Here the AB, area of B. And A is equal to 1 by 2 into AB. See, AB, TB, yes. The denominator of the denominator went together, numerator. 2 into 2, how much is there here? The 4. And the root of 4 is equal to 2 by 1. That is the velocity of A string by velocity of B string is equal to 2 is to 1 or 1 by 2. Let's see the question number 28. Question number 28. The density of the structure string is changed 2% without change in the tension and radius. See, density of the structure string, density of the stretched string is changed by 2%. How much are the percentage? 2% change. See, without changing the tension and radius, the change in transfer velocity. Here the tension and radius are constant. Therefore, find change in velocity. See, we know the formula. The velocity of transfer V is equal to under root of T by nu. T by nu is tension by linear density. But we know the linear density. See, what is the right? The linear density is equal to density into area. It is also right under root of T by rho into A. A is equal to, we can write also, area of wire pi r square. Substitute here the V is equal to under root of T by rho into pi r square. See, this is the another formula for the velocity of a string. We can observe here the velocity is inversely proportional to the square root of density. The velocity is inversely proportional to square root of the density. Taking the percentage, delta V by V into 100% is equal to, this is a root, we can write the plus or minus, the denominator is taken numerator, we can write the plus or minus 1 by 2 into delta rho by rho into 100%. When the root is negligible, we take here the 1 by 2. But here the change in, how much is given by the 2%? You get the plus or minus 1 by 2 into 2 gets cancelled. How much is here the plus or minus 1%? That means it will be increasing or decreasing. The 1% is increases or decreases. So next question number 29. The tension in the string is changed by 2%. How much is that? 2%. What is the change in transfer velocity? So what is change in velocity? See, we know the formula. Again, we take the velocity in transfer. V is equal to under root of T by nu. The velocity is directly proportional to the square root of tension. Write in the percentage. See, write here the percent. Change in velocity by initial velocity into 100% is equal. The root is negligible. What we can write here? The 1 by 2. And tension, write the tension percentage. Change in tension by initial tension into 100. Here is given by the change in tension. Change in tension is nothing but 2%. You can write here the 1 by 2 into 2. The 2 gets cancelled. How much is here? The 1%. The change in transfer velocity, delta V by V into 100 is equal to, how much is here? The 1% change in the velocity. So question number 31. The tension in a string increased by tension in a string is increased by 44%. The frequency increased by 10 Hz. The frequency of the string. This is the initial frequency of the string. Is, see here, we know the formula. The fundamental frequency n is equal to 1 by 2n under root of T by nu. See, the fundamental frequency is directly proportional to the square root of tension according to the second law of string. In second law, what is the n is directly proportional square root of tension. Write the ratio n1 by n2 is equal to under root of t1 by t2. See, we can write here. So what is given by the tension is increased by the 44%. Initial how much is there? Initial T1 is equal to 100. Then T2 is equal to 100 plus 44. That is equal to 144. That's the T2 is equal to. Then N1 is equal to consider the N. But N2 is equal to how much is increasing by the 10%. The N2 is equal to N plus 10. Edges can be increased. Then substitute here the values. N1 is equal to how much is there? N. N2 is equal to N plus 10 is equal to under root of T1 is equal to 100 by 144. Now the root 100 how much is there? 10 and here the 12. It is equal to 5 times, this is 6 times. N by N plus 10. So right here the N by N plus 10 is equal to 5 by 6. Taking the cross multiplication, n into 6 is equal to 5 into n plus 10. See, n into 6 is equal to n into 5 plus 5 into 10, 50. So take this side, n6 minus n5 is equal to 50. Then n is equal to 50 hedges. How much is the n is equal to 50 hedges? So next question number 32. A y whose the linear density which is denoted by the mu is equal is given by the 5 into 10 power of minus 3 kg per meter. The stretched between the two positions in tension. See, tension is given by the 450 newtons. The wire, the resonance of the frequency n is equal to 420 hertz. The next higher frequency at which the same resonance n is equal to 490. What is the length of the wire? So what is length of the wire? What is the length of the wire? L is equal. See here, the given the two frequencies. This is considered the N1, this is considered the N2. Then difference frequency. That N is equal to. See what is there? This is N2 minus N1. That is equal to 490 minus 420. That is equal to how much is there? The 70 hertz. The using the fundamental formula, fundamental frequency. Therefore, fundamental frequency n is equal to 1 by 2n under root of t by nu. The nu is nothing but what is the linear density. See again. Then find the L is equal. L is taken this side and N is taken this side. Then we can L is equal to 1 by 2n into under root of t by nu. L we can find the by 2 into n. N is equal to how much is there here? The 70. Under root of t, tension is going to be 450 by nu. Linear density how much? 5 into 10 power of minus 3. Now it's cancelled. 590 and 10 power of minus, take the denominator, take the numerator, and it says 1 by 140 under root of 10, 90 into 10 power of 3. The minus 3 take the denominator, take the numerator, the negative is converted to the positive. Then this total we have the calculation, that is the length is the 2.1 meter. This is the sonometer wire of the length. How much is there here? The 2.1 meter. So next question number 33.